The LX-R6 cradle mounts to the helmet with either the included 3M adhesive or the clamp. To use the clamp, slide the clamp between the helmet shell and foam liner and attach the cradle using the included screws. The speakers can be mounted in the speaker pockets in the helmet, and the boom microphone will mount behind the cheek pad on the left. To mount the main unit in the cradle, slide the unit over the rails on the cradle until it locks into place. The speakers and microphone plug into the bottom of the main unit. And the charging port is hidden under the cover next to the speaker port. To turn on the unit, press and hold the rider A button until the LED glows blue. To turn off, click the small reset button. To enter pairing mode, turn off the unit, then press and hold the rider A button for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes red and blue. Once in pairing mode, the unit can be connected to a variety of Bluetooth devices. You can pair with up to 5 other LX-R6 units using the individual channel buttons.